Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel Level Up Learning. Today we are going to learn about past continuous tense. So we use this tense to talk about the action which was happening yesterday at that particular time. For example, I was eating my lunch yesterday at 2 p.m. Let us take some more rules. So here also I will use first verb plus ing to talk about the continuous form. And the formula will be subject plus was or were plus first verb plus ing and plus object. Now let us first take the example. Ram was paying the bill. Positive statement, negative statement. Ram wasn't paying the bill. Positive question 1. Was Ram paying the bill? Negative question 1. Wasn't Ram paying the bill? Positive question 2. Where was Ram paying the bill? Why was Ram paying the bill? Negative question 2. Why wasn't Ram paying the bill? Similarly, I can use were to talk about the subject in a plural form. For example, they were standing in a queue. Negative, they weren't standing in the queue. Positive question 1. Were they standing in a queue? Negative question 1. Weren't they standing in a queue? Positive question 2. Why were they standing in a queue? And negative question 2. Why weren't they standing in a queue? Was and were will depend upon the subject. I hope you like guys the explanation. Keep watching. See you soon. Bye bye for now.